Hi, this is your teacher. What we're going to be doing today is taking a look at editing digital pictures. We're going to be looking at how to take a picture and make it better using brightness, contrast, black and whites, and how to do some creative stuff too, in addition to just some fun stuff. So we're going to have 3 different activities you guys are going to be working on. Hopefully we get them all done. I have some pictures set aside for you. Those pictures are in the N drive under grade 9-day resized. Though it's important that you use those pictures, the other thing I need you to do is when you are going to use a picture, you need to copy it to your own N drive, or Z drive, sorry. So you will go into the N drive, find the picture you're going to be using, right click on it, copy it. So here, I'll show you. You're going to go into where your pictures are, right click on it. You will then copy it, wherever that is. Copy it, go to your own Z drive, and then paste it. This is very important because when you are on the N drive, as we've talked before, you are sharing the drive with everybody else, which means if you start editing the picture on the N drive, you are editing the same picture as everybody else. So you're going to need to make your own copy. So copy the picture from the N drive, paste it into your Z drive, and then we can get going. The Paint program we're going to be using is called Paint.net. It's accessed from your magic button in the bottom left corner. And that should bring it up. And once you have it, you have your 4 main parts. So this is your tools, which is obviously the things you're going to be using. The different colors, we're not going to worry about that today. Your history, so you can undo stuff, and then the layers. I'm just going to pull a picture up very quickly so we've got something to play with. So here's the peppers we're going to be looking at a little bit later. After you do stuff, when you are done, here I'm just going to draw on it or something, you're going to save it. So very important to get. There are 2 different ways to save. If you save something as a paint.net file, PDN, this means it's a project file. So you'll be saving to your Z drive. When you save as a paint.net file, that means that it's a project and you're able to work on it again tomorrow. If you were to open this tomorrow, you'd be able to do all the same stuff that you were working on it. You'd have your history and you would have your different layers if you had different layers. This is not a picture, it's a project. If you want to save it as a picture, you're going to choose JPEG. JPEG, here as all these other pictures showed up, this is a picture. If you save it like this, it's a picture just like you can see it on your phone and everything else. I think that is basically the basics. Enjoy the class, have a good time, be nice to yourself.